Hello, my name is Carter Pierre Lewis, and I'll be discussing the finances of AFLAC. Well, there's a saying that goes, there are only things that are certain in life are death and taxes. Well, I'm here to tell you why that's not necessarily true. With a life insurance company, what they do is they're ensuring that you basically won't die. So it's like insuring against the inevitable. Well, that's not necessary with term life insurance. That's not the case, because term life insurance is just an insurance company betting that you're not going to die within a specified range of time. So within the 10 years or within the 5-year period, 25 years, what have you. This works to their advantage very well because, let's talk about the numbers of it. 97%, about 97% of term life insurance policies are never cashed out. So that means they only have to pay 3% of the life insurance policies, as far as term life goes, that they actually write. This obviously is a big way that they do make money. As with whole life insurance, they have to pay out 100% of whatever they write. But the way that they make their money with this is through investments, basically. They take the money that you and I pay into the policy, and they will do a number of things with it. They will hold mortgages, they will invest stocks and bonds, and they will also do lots of real estate. The real estate side of it has been the most lucrative, as you know, until now, basically the real estate market has been a sure shot, steady decline or steady increase market. Basically, commercial real estate is where they're going to make their money. Okay, what they're going to do is they're going to basically be landlords. They buy property and they rent it out to have a steady flow of income throughout the life of that investment. They do have, for 2008, the year ending 2008, they do have a total revenue of in excess of $16.5 billion. So they have a lot of money going in and out. Their stock price has been steadily increasing since they opened the doors. And the strengths that they have are the nature of the business. Basically, the term life insurance being, very lucrative. They only have to pay out 3% of what they, the insurance policies that they write. Some of the weaknesses are their conservative investment strategy. I look at that as a weakness because if you're taking in $50 million and you're only, investing $50 million into 3% shares, and you're not really maximizing the amount that you could, you're not taking advantage of the market as you should, to me. Some of the threats would be the current economy, without a doubt, because the real estate market is definitely taking a downturn. So some of those investments are not paying off as they used to. The way that they conduct business in respect to finance would be, they have what they try to do is sign people to insurance policies through their employers. How they would be able to do that and why their business has become so strong is because by being able to provide insurance to an employer instead of to individuals, they create what is called a single payer system, which means basically they charge your employer for the amount of the insurance and you pay your employer back based on that. And since not everybody's going to be using insurance for whether it be health or life insurance, the company can make some decent profits. That is all I will be discussing today.
Hello, my name is Summer Sagram. The ability of any company to successfully market itself is an integral part of moving forward. AFLAC clearly understands this through its marketing plan of being consumer-focused and friendly. Their target market is you and your family. Although AFLAC targets mostly small businesses, Something that sets AFLAC apart from a majority of other life insurance companies is its ability to market itself towards consumers with families. While ideally their target market is 35 to 54-year-olds, they offer plans to ensure that not only you, but your spouse, children, and even grandchildren are covered. The beginning of AFLAC was slow and nowhere near steady. Suffering from poor brand recognition, AFLAC realized that they must improve their marketing plan. Their approach? A $35 million campaign on their now famous spokesperson, the AFLAC duck. AFLAC! Just to help improve remembering the name, which indeed worked. AFLAC! Their strengths include an innovative marketing plan and taking heed of improvements over the years to gain customers and customer loyalty. They also offer a variety of insurance plans which appeal to all consumer financial states and a positive, catchy, and clever image. Some of their weaknesses in regards to their marketing, though, include a poor sense of product in their commercials. A lot of their commercials just depict, a funny image of their AFLAC duck, and you don't really know which product that they're selling. However, AFLAC has opportunities for everyone. AFLAC can grow on an international level as it's already based in Japan, and it can continue to expand globally. It can be a part of helping revitalize the health insurance policies in the United States, and they can take heed to develop many new plans to suit as many people as necessary. One other integral part of AFLAC is the ability to employ the future of their company by looking into recent college graduates. They can do this by visiting college job recruiting fairs, which they already do on a national level, which is great news for FIU grads. Some of their threats are other major life insurance companies, which, given the numerous life insurance companies in the United States, AFLAC does have a lot of ground to cover. They have the lowest amount of assets on the top 10 list of life insurance companies, but they can fix this by improving their insurance plans to provide the best coverage. AFLAC has an amazing competitive edge, having appeared on the Fortune 500 list since 1995 and having been listed as one of America's most admired companies for 5 consecutive years. They also have A+ and superior financial strength ratings, and as of April 2009, AFLAC has been named number 7 on the top 10 life insurance companies list by the Insurance Information Institute, as well as being named the most reputable company in the insurance industry. Thank you.